Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector, as well as PSU jobs. If you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel because you will be beneficiate from our channel with daily job notification, career guidance, as well as interview tips. So let's start this video. Today's job notification has came from Apple. They are hiring AI ML analyst position. It is a freshers drive. BE, Tech, MCA, MEM Tech can apply for this job. So we will discuss in detail in this video. Please hit the subscribe button below this video. It gives us motivation. So please hit the subscribe button. So Apple is hiring AI or ML analyst position for the location of Hyderabad. They are hiring freshers. The job summary is mentioned here. Imagine that you could here do new ideas, revolution, some customer experience, product services, knowledge. You will get there. Are you interested in being a part of team that continues to innovate the way people and machines interact? They will help you to grow in this manner, to think in this way. So those things you will get a chance to learn from here. They are looking for motivated annotation analyst position. So the key qualification they are asking, you have to have fluency in English reading, writing and comprehension skills, excellent active listening skills with the ability to understand verbal nuisance in US English dialect, highly organized with strong attention to detail, understanding of the US region and cultural variation where US English dialect is spoken, demonstrates attention to detail and critical thinking skills in evolution of Charles language uses and dialect, ability to independently navigate system and tools, demonstrate integrity and focuses on customer privacy, demonstrate flexibility, experience in content review, excel at working independently, experience as an user of Siri, similar intelligent personal assistant or other AI tools, ability to mention focus and aim for high results. The job description is mentioned here. Their team is comprised of very talented individuals who are passionate about AI or ML. As a part of annotation team, you will play a critical role there, a central role there. They are very focused. As an annotation analyst, you will listen, transcribe audio files, evaluate series responses, language uses. So those the few descriptions mentioned here. Education and experience, bachelor degree required. Additional requirement, ability to work Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. local time with scheduling and work flexibility based on business need. Position with language skills requires strong grammar and cultural awareness. Successful completion of pre-employment assessment and background check, and successful completion of initial training and certification testing. So if you're really interested, click on apply link. So it will be redirected to the application form of Apple website, career website. So you can see it is the application form or the official website of Apple where you can apply for the drive. So the job position name is AI ML annotation analyst, Hyderabad location. So you have to first submit your resume. Click on submit resume. So the form will be opening to you. So if you have some Apple ID, then you can use it, or otherwise you have to create your account there. So here you can create your Apple ID. Okay, so it is loading. You have to give your first name, last name, country, date of birth, your email address, password and phone number. Then you have to fill this message here, these characters here. Then you have to click on continue. Then you will be able to create your account, and again you will be able to sign in and upload your resume, and you can apply for the drive for hiring AI or ML annotation analyst. So this is the job notification. It is a big job notification because Apple is hiring freshers. So salary package will be quite good, minimum 7 to 6 LPA. So it's a very good opportunity to all of you. If you are interested really, then please hit the application and submit your resume as soon as possible, because last date is not mentioned. So as early as possible you can apply for the drive. So this is the job notification. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you friends, and keep subscribing, keep motivating us, keep sharing this video with your friends so that they will be beneficiated from our channel. So that's it. Have a great day.